Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and today I'm going to show you guys how I installed these clip-ins. Yes girl, these are clip-ins and I'm super excited about them because they look so bomb and so natural against my natural texture. These clip-ins are by Better Length and they are the 3C4A Afro Kinky Curly clip-ins, and this set is actually 16 inches and the color is a natural color, but you can dye, bleach, and do whatever you want with this hair. These clip-ins do come in a set of 10 and they are double wefted. So I didn't keep the clip-ins like this. I did wash, condition the clip-ins because I wanted to do a twist out. So I did use the Dew products, the moisturizing conditioner and the matching shampoo, and for the twist out on the clip-ins I did use the texture foam. These products are super bomb, y'all, love them. So here are the clip-ins. I did do some twists on them because I love a twist out on my natural hair, so I wanted the clip-ins to match kind of like the texture that I was gonna have going on with my hair. So as you can see with the clip-ins, I did twist them. So if one clip-in set had one clip on it, I would only twist it one time. If one clip-in track had 3 clips on it, I would make 3 twists. So as you can see there, per clip I would make a twist. Does that make sense? I'll put it down in the description too. So as you can see, the texture came out super pretty, very defined. I let these clip-ins actually air dry for 2 days to make sure they dried nice. And I really love the construction of the clip-ins. They're very nice and secure, and they're not bulky at all. So I really love that they didn't snag my hair at all when I did decide to remove them. So that is very important to me when it comes to my natural hair and clip-ins, because I haven't really played too much in clip-ins. So yeah, I unraveled all of the twists with the clip-ins and it's just super beautiful, lots of shine. So I did do a twist out with my hair. I like to do individual twists because it allows me to moisturize my hair and really get in there, girl. So my shrinkage is definitely real. My shrinkage is so real, y'all. So what I'm gonna do with my twist out, I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel them and making sure I don't really make them frizzy because I'm not going to separate them right now. So I'm just gonna unravel them as is and take my time. And as you can see, I have some good, nice non-frizzy twists. So just, take them out. But you can do a flat twist, but I just preferred to do individual twists because I knew I was gonna be maneuvering in my hair and I didn't want to lose the pattern. So that's another reason why I chose to do the individual ones. So yes, girl, I look shrinkage. Okay, it normally takes me a couple days for my twist outs to look bomb and like kind of swell up and poof out. First day twist outs for me aren't my best friend, so that's why I'm really happy that I got these clip-ins to try out. So yes, girl, we're gonna part the section and make sure I keep the twist pretty much unraveled. So it's really easy to maneuver throughout my hair and clip the clip-ins in since I did individual twists on my natural hair. So popping these bad boys in total only took me about 10 minutes, girl, and I was ready to go. So they were easy to secure, didn't pull on my hair at all, very comfortable, and most of all, these clip-ins were very lightweight. I didn't feel weighed down at all. And they blended effortlessly. Like, look how pretty this is. And I was actually very surprised and happy that these clip-ins were naturally pretty dark because I have dark hair naturally. So, sometimes hair comes in like a brown color. But yeah, this was actually dark enough for it to blend with my natural hair. So in total, I have about, how many do I have in the back? I think it's, what's 10 minus 4? I have that many in the back of my hair, and then I'm going to put 4 clip-ins on the front here. So I'm just gonna pop these bad boys in. Like I said, this texture is the 3C4A Afro Kinky Curly. This clip-ins, I believe they do come in other textures and other lengths, but I decided to do a 16-inch because I felt like it would look more natural. And I also could get away with probably doing like a 14-inch and it would really look like my natural length shrunk. So yes, these are the bomb. I love these. So I'm just going to put the last couple of clip-ins in the front. I made sure I used my fingers to maneuver throughout my natural hair because I didn't want to use any combs because I didn't want to lose my twists and make them frizzy. So as you can see, there's a major difference. You know, us fine hair natural girls, we need these. We need these. These are actually pretty bomb if you need to take some pictures or if you have headshots coming up, senior pictures, or just whatever occasion you want to wear these for. Like, they really made a difference, and I'm like super excited and happy to have these. So yes, girl, we're almost done. And so this is the look that we have so far. Very natural looking, very easy to put in. And as you can see, it blended in pretty well with my hair. Now what I could do is eventually, if I wanted to, add some layering in these clip-ins to make it look even like bomber. But I wanted to show you guys exactly how these clip-ins came and exactly how it looked installing them directly, you know, without any modifications. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna gently go through my hair and kind of separate my twists to create a softer look. I want more of a, you know, separated, bigger look with this. Now with these clip-ins, you can make this hair as big as you want to, but I wanted to make sure I kept my twist out pretty tamed and frizz-free. So I'm just gonna go through and mainly separate a lot of the clip-ins. So as you can see, it's starting to fluff out and look super bomb. I love it. It is so cute. Like, I love these so much. I wish my hair looked like this all the time as far as thickness. But yeah, y'all, look how cute, okay? Like, I am really feeling these. Like, I feel beautiful, you know. Look at the back, it blended, and they move really nice. The clip-ins are non-detectable. And it was just easy to do. Like, that's what I need. Something easy to do when it comes to my natural hair. Just pop them in and go. So if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. I do have a promo code down in the description below. It is Megan587 for some discounts if you want to check out these clip-ins for yourself. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.